Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all students? Today this is the 13th lecture of grade first year. The chapter name is electrochemistry and the topic name is oxidation reduction concepts. First of all, oxidation reduction reactions. Leo says gar. Leo means loss of electron is oxidation while gain of electron is reduction. What is oxidation? Oxidation and reduction in terms of loss and gain of oxygen and the loss or gain of electrons mean classical and electronic concept. The oxidation is defined as loss of electrons and gain of oxygen, while reduction is defined as gain of electrons and loss of oxygen. Oxidation can be either addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, loss of electrons, and increase in oxidation number. When electron will be lost, there will be increase in the positive charge. And when there will be increase in the positive charge and decrease in the negative charge, we can say that there is increase in the oxidation number. For example, when oxidation number changes from +2 to +5, it means that loss of electron, there is loss of electron. There is more positive charge gained by the substance. It means that there is increase in oxidation number and there is loss of electron. So simply addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, loss of electrons and increase in oxidation number defines oxidation. For example, here we take an example which involves addition of oxygen. For example, iron oxide reacts with oxygen to form iron 3 oxide. Here iron 2 oxide is converting to iron 3 oxide. By their conversion, the iron +2 is changing into iron +3, means there is an increase in oxidation number and there is a loss of electron from iron 2. It means that this is oxidation. Iron is oxidized. So oxygen is the oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent is a substance which oxidize other and itself get reduced. So iron 2 oxide is oxidized to iron 3 oxide. +2 to +3 means that there is loss of 1 electron and +2 charge is converted to +3 with the release of electron. Now reduction, what is reduction? Reduction is the removal of oxygen. Unlike oxidation in which there is gain of oxygen or addition of oxygen. Here in reduction there is removal of oxygen. Oppositely there is addition of hydrogen, gain of electrons and the decrease in oxidation number means from +2 to +1 or in minus values it means that the oxidation number is reduced, and when oxidation number is reduced or decreased it means that it is reduction. In this particular example, iron 3 oxide is converting into simple iron and carbon monoxide is converting into carbon dioxide. The iron 3 oxide has the oxidation state of +3 while iron has the oxidation state of 0. It means that from +3 to 0 the oxidation number is reduced or decreased. The iron 3 oxide gained 3 electrons and form 0 oxidation state of iron. Here is the explanation. The iron 3 will gain 3 electrons and form iron containing 0 oxidation state. So the oxidation number of iron 3 has been reduced from +3 to 0. Carbon monoxide is the reducing agent here. It converts to carbon dioxide. Iron 3 oxide has lost oxygen, as reduction is defined as there is loss of oxygen or removal of oxygen, And the second is iron 3 ion has gained electrons. Iron ion has gained electrons 3, it has gained 3 electrons. So from iron plus 3 it converts to iron 0, and this is reduction. Here in this example you can see that iron with 0 oxidation state is converting into iron plus 2. It means that there is loss of 2 electrons. From 0 to plus 2 means there is an increase in oxidation number, and when there is an increase in oxidation number it means that the process is oxidation. While in copper plus 2 oxidation state is converting into copper 0 oxidation state, it means that from plus 2 to 0 the oxidation number get reduced, or there is gain of electron. It means that the copper is reduced and iron is oxidized. This reaction involves both loss of electron as well as gain of electron. So the iron 0 is converting into iron 2. It means that it loses 2 electrons. So with the release of 2 electrons, iron is oxidized. Copper plus 2 will gain 2 electron and form copper 0. It means that the copper is now the oxidation and reduction concepts. First one is classical concept and the other is electronic concept. What is the classical concept? We define oxidation reduction with respect to oxygen atom. So as you know that addition of oxygen is the oxidation, while removal of oxygen is reduction. So it is defined as the process which involves addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen, while reduction is defined as removal of oxygen and addition of hydrogen. So according to the oxidation, it means that we will add oxygen. So with sulfur, when we add oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide with an increase in oxidation number. The carbon, when react with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide. This is addition of oxygen. And an example of removal of hydrogen is hydrogen sulfide plus bromine. It forms hydrogen bromide plus sulfur. So addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Similarly, with hydrogen addition in chlorine to form hydrogen chloride, and ammonia reacts to form nitrogen and hydrogen. When ammonia form nitrogen and hydrogen, it means that there is loss of hydrogen or removal of hydrogen. It means that there is oxidation. And in addition of hydrogen to chlorine, it means that addition of hydrogen is defined by reduction. So when hydrogen is added to chlorine, it means it forms hydrogen chloride, and this is an example of reduction. Now electronic concept, we define oxidation reduction with respect to electrons. As you know that loss of electron is oxidation, while gain of electron is reduction. It is defined as the process in which an atom or an ion loses one or more electrons. Loss of electron either increases positive charge or decreases negative charge. When there will be negative charge decrease, if there is a decrease in negative charge, it means that there is an increase in positive charge. And increase in positive charge means that there is an increase in oxidation number. So oxidation is defined as an increase in oxidation, while decrease in oxidation number is reduction. Aluminium 0 oxidation state is converting it to aluminium plus 3 oxidation state with the release of 3 electrons. It means that there is loss of 3 electrons, means more positive charge on aluminium is produced. So from 0 to plus 3, it means that there is loss of 3 electrons and the more positive charge is formed. So this is oxidation, and there is increased in oxidation number. And from copper plus 2 gain 2 electron and form copper 0. So from plus 2 to 0, it means that there is decrease in the oxidation number, which means that it is reduction. There is gain of electron. There is a decrease in oxidation number from plus 2 to 0. It means that this is reduction. This was all about Oxidation reduction concepts, oxidation reduction reactions, their definitions, examples, all of them. Tomorrow we will discuss oxidation state and oxidation number. Thank you so much.